Hi Blue Team, this is Mrs. Swislocki, your science teacher. We're so excited to have you on our team. We know that you were at Learwood last year and are familiar with our school, but there are definitely some changes this year that we need to make note of. First, make sure you bring your device to school fully charged. You will not have an opportunity during the school day to charge your device again, and you'll be using it throughout the day in all of your classes. So please make sure that you charge it. A good idea would be to charge it as soon as you get home from school and then unplug it that morning and bring it back with you. You will also need headphones. If you are borrowing a Chromebook from Avon Lake Schools, then please note the headphones that'll work. Either headphones have to have an audio jack to plug into the Chromebook or Bluetooth capability. Just to note, the earbuds that you receive with an Apple iPhone and you plug into the iPhone do not work with Chromebooks. In science this year, you can look forward to learning more about how Earth's surface changes over time, genetics and inheritance, and forces in motion. I think we're going to have a great year together, and I'm looking forward to it.
Hello, my name is Miss Marshall. I'll be teaching 7th and 8th grade math this year. I recently graduated from John Carroll University, and this will be my very first year teaching. I look forward to meeting all of you.
Hi, I'm Beth Moffat. I'll be teaching 7th and 8th grade language arts this year, and I look forward to meeting all of the new students. It's going to be novels, short stories, writing, all of that fun stuff. And 8th grade parents, if you'd like to email me if you have any questions about placement for 9th grade honors, you are welcome to email me. 7th grade parents as well.
Hi, I'm Matt Perry. I'll be teaching U.S. Studies this year, 1492 to 1877, so from when we got here to Reconstruction. This year you're going to have a book and you're going to have an online book. You're going to have in-class assignments and out-of-class assignments, lots of weekly tests. We're also going to have to make sure you have your Chromebook, and it's going to have to be charged every day. That's all. I can't wait to see you guys, and see you guys on Monday.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith, and I'm one of the intervention specialists here at Learwood. This year I'm in 8th grade working with the blue team and the red team. You'll see me in some of the language arts classes. I also teach a small group language arts class, and I will be working with students primarily with the math and language arts. You might see some of the other staff members in the building that work with the students, and those people are Mrs. Skelly, Mrs. Holstein, Mrs. Phillips, and Mrs. Arnold. So at any point in time you'll see one of us in your classrooms. They're there to help you, and if you have any questions, feel free to come down to my room.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Simmerly. I am an intervention specialist in the building. I am working with, for 7th grade, Team Anchorman, and for 8th grade, Team Blue. I'm assisting the students with my team of paraprofessionals in the resource room, and my paraprofessionals will be in the classroom with many of your students. Have a great year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Dix. I'm the intervention specialist for Team Classy and Team Anchorman for 7th grade. If you're in 8th grade, I am on Team Blue and Team Red. So I am here to help you with your needs in the classroom as well as in the resource room. I have a team of paras that will also be assisting me, so if you need anything, come find Mrs. Dix. Have a great year, and I look forward to meeting you. Bye.
Hello, I'm Mr. Warren. I teach computer applications here at Learwood Middle School. This year, the 7th grade students will be using many different applications and software programs to explore units in keyboarding, desktop publishing, digital citizenship, and multimedia presentations. My 8th grade students will explore units such as spreadsheet techniques used in the business world, video editing, intro to computer programming, and Photoshop. My assignments and web page can be found on Google Classroom, and my contact information is below. I'm looking forward to a great school year.
Hello, my name is Vasa Mork and I teach technology. 7th grade students will be primarily focusing on the engineering design process. Students will use this process to complete various design and problem solving activities. Students will also be introduced to programming and using the laser engraver as well. 8th grade students will be introduced to the basics of engineering drawing, with the primary focus being third angle, multi-view, and isometric drawings. 2 projects will be completed, one for each type of drawing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.
Hi, I'm Leslie Carson, and I'm the art educator here at Learwood School. This year, I am taking a more holistic approach to the art curriculum, and I'm not just focusing on production. In the world today, we need our kids to be problem solvers, critical thinkers, and to be able to look at situations from all sides. This is one of the things I love about art. There is never one right answer. It's not like math, it's not like science, where it's either right or wrong. In art, there are many answers to the same questions. This year, I'm going to feature an artwork of the week. We will engage all week in analyzing the artwork and its historical content and the themes used to create the artwork. Then, rather than copy the artwork, the students will then be challenged to use the themes and ideas to express them in their own original works of art. And then, they're going to be asked to reflect on their learning and the learning process. I know I have lofty goals for this year, but I know the students of Avon Lake will be up to the challenge and might even exceed my goals. If you have any questions, just reach out. Have a safe and wonderful year.
Hi, my name is Jim Johnson. I teach physical education and life skills at the 8th grade level. I also teach one of the 7th grade life skills classes this year. This is my 21st year at Learwood Middle School. I'll talk to you briefly about life skills. We will be covering a lot of health topics, a variety of health topics, with a real concentration on mental wellness. I'm looking forward to this school year, and if you ever have any questions, you know where to reach me through email. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sarah Fleming. I'm one of the phys ed teachers here at Learwood. I also will be teaching life skills for 8th grade during the second half of the year. So I want to say welcome, and for 8th graders, welcome back. We've definitely missed you guys during this time. As far as phys ed goes, it's going to look a little bit different than in the past. We're going to be social distanced. You will not need to change into a uniform, but you'll be expected to have gym shoes each day. And we're going to make it as fun as we can, doing walking, fitness, and like I said, a lot of social distance, fun games. So looking forward to meeting you guys, and we're going to have a great year. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Randazzo. I'm the 7th grade life skills teacher here at Learwood. I am one of 3 teachers that will be working with your child during the quarter. Mrs. Lisa Goodwin is part of LACATA. It is a grant-based program through Lorain County, and she will be covering decision making and drug and alcohol awareness. It's kind of an eduvention situation where she educates the students and also helps them make good decisions on preventing use. I cover the educational psychology piece, so we'll be talking about learning styles, working on our strengths and our weaknesses, how to be successful here at Learwood throughout our different subjects. And then Miss Kristen Acton is our district social worker. She comes in on Wednesdays and leads lessons called Wellness Wednesday, and that focuses on mental and physical well-being.
Hi, my name is Chris Ewald. I'm the band director here at Learwood. So I teach 7th grade band and 8th grade band and 7th grade general music. For the band classes this year, we are still playing, but with some modifications, and that'll change throughout the year. We will be working on rhythm reading, pitch reading. We're going to do some music theory. We're going to do some historical background on the pieces that we're playing. So there's going to be some non-playing activities. There will be more home playing homework activities. And in general music, we will be exploring some music history and some listening activities and some interactive activities using computer programs. Your students' assignments can be found on Google Classroom. I do have a band web page, and here's the band web address right down here, learwoodbands.weebly.com. And here is the books for band, 7th grade, Measures of Success, Book 1, and 8th grade, Measures of Success, Book 2. These books your children should still have from Troy, and the 8th graders should have had them from last year as well. And you can contact me through email, christopher.ewald@avonlakecityschools.org. I look forward to seeing your students and meeting each of you.
Hello, my name is Miss Pop, and I am the choir director here at Learwood Middle School. This year choir is going to look a lot different because per the guidelines of the Lorain County Health Commissioner, we are not, as of right now, to do any indoor singing with groups. So because of that, when we sing, it will be outside, or I may do some recording assignments for students at home to still keep that core of the curriculum in there. But this core and this semester will not be focused on singing. This one will mostly be focused on music theory, listening, music history, other aspects of music that we might not get as much time to touch on as we would in a normal school year. All of your assignments and information will be on Google Classroom. In the past, I've had learwoodchoirs.org website. I'm not doing that this year. Everything will be on Google Classroom. Assignments, important documents, information, so all parents and students can find all information there. If you need to contact me, you can reach me at Courtney, COURTNEY.pop, POPP, at avonlakecityschools.org. Thank you, and looking forward to have a good year with you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Kulikowski, and this year I'll be teaching the 8th grade orchestra here at Learwood. This year I'm planning to just kind of have everybody review some stuff that we did last year, as well as try to learn some new techniques and stuff as well. So always looking to do some fun stuff this year. We won't be having our fall festival like we normally do, but we're hoping to do some sort of virtual performance by December. If you need anything or need to look for assignments and info, you can look for that on my Google Classroom, which will be set up soon. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email or give me a call. Thank you so much. Looking forward to a great year.
Hello, my name is Mr. Bowman. I am teaching 7th grade orchestra this year. I'm looking forward to helping us progress with learning to play our instruments. We're going to go through things like moving our fingers backwards to play flats. We're going to be extending our fingers forwards to play sharps. We're going to talk about vibrato and shifting, moving our hand up and down the instrument, as well as how to tune ourselves so that we can make sure our instruments are in tune at home. I think we're going to learn a lot this year. We're going to turn you from good players into excellent players. That's my goal. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Bye.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Farney, and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Learwood. One thing I wanted to let you know is that as far as French, Spanish, or Chinese goes, in order to receive the high school credit for foreign language, you need to get a 70 or above in the class. By getting a 70 or above in the class at the end of the year, you will be able to not only get the high school credit, but in high school be registered for Spanish 2 or Honors 2, and that will be decided by your teacher. Thank you. Have a great night.
Hello, my name is Maria Eugenia Cedron Bresnahan. Our students know me as Señora Cedron or Señora Bresnahan. I'm one of the Spanish teachers here at Learwood. I'm originally from Lima, Peru. In learning a different language, our students not only learn the mechanics of it, they learn about the culture of the language they are taking. For this reason, in our lessons, we emphasize and integrate the cultural piece as part of our curriculum. I'm looking forward to working with your child. Muchas gracias. Adiós.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Randazzo, or Senora Randazzo. I'm one of the Spanish teachers here at Learwood. We do not have an official textbook, but we do follow the ODE National and State Standards, and we follow the curriculum framework that is found on the Avon Lake City Schools webpage. We use Google Classroom as our platform, and that is where we post many resources for the students to use. One of our favorite resources that we will be utilizing this year is the Duolingo, and then we also post useful resources that the kids can access at school and online at home.
Hi, my name is Dina Marsala, and I am the French teacher here at Learwood Middle School. In French, we are going to be learning a lot of brand new topics, since most of you, this is the first time you've ever taken French. And what parents, you should know that foreign language classes here at Learwood are not like you probably took them in the past. We are very much communication based, we're proficiency based. There is going to be a lot of input for those students this year. You should not expect them to come home and be able to have a complete conversation with you after the first couple days of school. They'll get there, just not right away. All of my homework assignments and everything will be on Google Classroom, so you can look on there. And I am at 3 different buildings this year, so if you need to get in touch with me, the best place to do that is email, which should be right here on the screen for you. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kate Ku, the Chinese language and culture teacher at Avon Lake City Schools. Learwood Chinese class will introduce basic Mandarin Chinese, which is the official Chinese language in China. Many students are afraid of taking Chinese because it is hard. Chinese use characters, and also Chinese has 4 tones when speak, which the English speaking students don't have all of those. That's why, make them afraid of that. But after practice, you learn that, and all will go away. Just like you learn to use fork and knife to eat, and Chinese use chopsticks to eat. After you're getting used to it, and it's not a problem at all. It's just like the practice will help you. Like you learn a music instrument or you play your sports. Practice makes your skill better. And the other thing I want to say is don't be shy and don't be afraid of to ask questions. If you have any question, please ask in the class or after class, email me. And don't forget to check your Google Classroom every day and see the assignment. If you need extra help, just let me know. We can make arrangements either after school or a weekend, online or by phone. Okay, thank you for taking Chinese, and I'm looking forward to seeing you online. Bye.